this lesson, we will learn about another time function called mktime. The mktime function converts the local time in time to calendar time and returns it. If there is an error, -1 is returned. Take a look at the syntax. Here, time PTR is a pointer to a TM structure that contains a calendar time broken down into its components. A time_t value corresponding to the calendar time is passed as an argument. On error, a -1 value is returned. For your better learning, take a look at this sample program. In the sample code, we declare raw time structure reference and time info structure pointer. Similarly, 3 integer variables and a character array which has 7 days. Then we input the year, month, and day variables. In this line, we call time function by passing the address of raw time. Similarly, we invoke local time by passing the raw time address. And we perform certain assignments in these lines. In this line, we set our local time by calling mktime, which has an argument. And finally, we print the current date and time using this printf statement. Now let's execute the code. To do that, press Alt F9 to compile the code. When it's done, click on OK. Press Ctrl F9 to run the code. Now you need to input the year, month, and day. And here is your current date and time. Now I hope you're able to understand the mktime function to set current date and time.